In our previous video, we talked about how AI and blockchain are upgrading the tech world. But today, we're looking at what's next: multimodal AI. Now, in this video, we'll walk you through 6 simple steps to build a custom ChatLLM tool like Abacus AI, which is trained on your data and customized to your workflows. And we'll define why it's the smartest investment you can make this year. At Idea Usher, we build AI-powered business solutions, including platforms just like this. And after watching this video, you will get a clear picture in your mind of how you can build your own ChatLLM faster than you think. Right now, most of the businesses are stuck with single model AI. That means they're forced to work around its limitations, whether it's handling long documents, complex reasoning, or multimodal inputs. But over 55% of businesses are dropping more than $50,000 per month on AI copilots that handle customer support, answer internal questions, and even help close deals, because they know the ROI is real. And Abacus AI's ChatLLM is the actual proof. It's basically a combination of multiple AI models into one workspace, which gives businesses more flexibility, better automation, and higher efficiency. So instead of relying on just one model like GPT-4o or Claude, platforms like ChatLLM let users switch between models based on the task. This creates a smarter and more efficient workflow. Now, let's talk about the benefit of building such a platform. Number 1, your data stays private and secure. No third-party exposure. That alone saves legal and compliance costs. Number 2, you reduce support costs by up to 60%. The system handles queries and onboarding, which implies less manpower. Number 3, faster decisions across teams. Whether it's finance, sales, or operations, you get real-time insights without switching tools. Time saved is money saved. Number 4, it adapts to your workflows. You don't need to pay for extra integrations or retrain your teams. That's a direct cost cut. Number 5, no ongoing license fees. Unlike SaaS tools, this is a one-time investment with predictable maintenance. That means long-term savings. Number 6, teams work smarter. When teams spend less time searching for answers, your business runs faster, more efficiently, and more profitably. And number 7, you can offer it as a product. Once it's built, you can license it, provide access to others in your industry, or turn it into a paid tool while creating a new revenue stream without extra overhead. In fact, AI tools that allow multi-model switching see up to 3 times higher engagement compared to those locked into a single AI. That's the kind of impact you can build for businesses, starting with these 6 simple steps. Step 1, defining the use case and AI model scope. It all starts with defining the use case. Who's using the platform? Startups, enterprises, SaaS companies? What features do they need? Are they automating business workflows? Do they need AI-powered coding assistance? Or is there a team collaborating on large-scale projects? Once that's clear, the next step is choosing the right AI models, whether it's GPT-4o, Claude, Gemini, or private custom models. Step 2, AI aggregation and smart model routing. The foundation of any ChatLLM style platform is its AI aggregation layer. This is where different AI models are integrated into a single system, which allows for seamless switching based on task complexity, cost, and response time. But beyond that, there's also the need for intelligent routing. Instead of a one-size-fits-all AI response, the system needs to classify each query in real time and match it to the best model. Like if there is a need for advanced reasoning, it should pick GPT-4o. Long document analysis, it must use Claude. And if there is a requirement for image and text processing, it should pick Gemini. So whether it's reasoning, coding, content creation, or document analysis, every task should be handled by the most suitable AI model for the job. Basically, the system must automatically select the right AI. Step 3, AI-powered document intelligence or RAG system. Then there's document intelligence. Businesses don't just need AI that chats. They need AI that understands and processes information. That means enabling advanced document parsing, structured data extraction, and real-time insights from PDFs, spreadsheets, and reports. Step 4, building functional AI tools. A ChatLLM style platform can do more than just answer your questions. It can execute all of your tasks. That's where AI agents come in. They analyze data, generate reports, trigger workflows, and integrate with business applications like Slack, CRMs, and cloud storage. Apart from this, there is an AI coding assistant that can generate code snippets, refactor old code, and debug issues automatically. Step 5. Building the AI-powered user interface. But none of this works without a well-designed user experience. A platform like this needs real-time collaboration, multi-tab sessions, and a clean interface that feels effortless to use. The goal here is to provide AI assistance and to create an AI-powered workspace that businesses can rely on daily. For example, trading platforms like Bloomberg Terminal are integrating AI dashboards, which allow investors to interact with data in real time effortlessly. Step 6. Security, compliance, and enterprise readiness. Now, security is a major factor. Enterprise AI adoption is growing, but so are concerns about data privacy. That's why a ChatLLM-style platform needs industry-standard compliance, like SOC 2, HIPAA, OAuth authentication, and end-to-end encryption. Without these, no one will trust the platform with sensitive information. Now, let's talk about how you turn it into a profitable venture. There are multiple ways to monetize. White labeling allows businesses to rebrand and offer AI-powered workspaces to their own customers. Subscription-based models can provide tiered access to different AI capabilities. API integrations can open the platform to third-party developers. And for niche industries, AI-driven automation tools can be packaged into specialized solutions for legal, finance, healthcare, and beyond. For example, OpenAI and Anthropic are already making millions per month through API-based licensing, which allows developers to integrate AI into their own platforms. And it's not just big players. AI startups are closing multi-million-dollar funding rounds by offering niche AI solutions. See, the demand is there. A ChatLLM-style AI business is highly scalable and allows you to generate recurring revenue. The shift to multimodal AI is happening, and many of us are actively moving away from single-model AI because we need better and faster solutions. And with the right strategy, a ChatLLM-style AI platform can be a high-value business. If you have any queries, drop a comment below or connect with our AI experts through the link in the description.